Ciao, I'm Cesare Casella, the Casella Salumi. So this guy is me. My nose, my rosemary, they are all there. So today I'm going to show how to make the Saltimbocca Romana. Saltimbocca Romana, it's a very typical dish from Rome. And this is small bite, sometimes depends on the size. In Italy, depends where you come from a town to town or village to village. Sometimes there is a recipe that change. I make in very more traditional way, and today we use a tenderloin, pork tenderloin from a Berkshire pig from the Newman farm. So it's a sample. Today we use the pork tenderloin, but you can use other parts of the pork. The same, traditionally is a veal, so you can make a veal. But this dish, if you like, you can make with the chicken too. But the pork, it's the best because I think the prosciutto, the pork meat, all together, they are something so flavor. So I take these already, I pounded before. You see, they don't need it to be the same thickness, but you want a thinner. So I put it here, we put the salt and pepper. Look at these. And then salt, pepper. And what is important here, it's really to be careful when you put the salt too and pepper, because you don't want their thinness. So if too much salt, they're going to be salty. You want the balancing. And eventually it's a better less salt. And then if really they need it more, you can add the leather. But you can take out the salt. More pepper. So at this point, over here, we're going to put our prosciutto. So you see, so beautiful. I think it is. You see the white stuff that many people they don't like, but it's the most favorite. Taste, the flavor they have is so incredible. And then the fat without the lean without the fat, they are non prosciutto, it's a piece of meat. So you need to, this, like now we use, see, when you eat the prosciutto, you need to eat completely together. You can divide or no eat the fat. The prosciutto there, look. These we throw away. Then practically you make like this small prosciutto. Oh, it's a very good this prosciutto. It's a slice. I still me, but no. Look, in this way you put it up and down. You can put more or less prosciutto. If my grandmother was see me make, it was told that I put too much prosciutto. But she was selling prosciutto, so I selling prosciutto, I needed to put more prosciutto. Look, okay. Now, I make sure there was no even, so in that way, there was another piece for me. Now, the sage. I know I have a rosemary, I love a rosemary, but in this dish is going the sage. Perfect. One leaves, they give it more flavor. Then you take the stick, and then you go up, down, down. So you make it in the way that, see, it's a little bit stick together the leaves and the prosciutto. So now they are ready. Oh no, these are not ready. We need to fix. Okay, go up, down, perfect. So the part we put olive oil. No, I'm from Tuscany, so I need a extra virgin olive oil. But you can use a vegetable oil, what you like. These, maybe now, no, my grandmother was said not too much prosciutto, but she like a lot of oil. Because with the oil, you make the sauce. So at this point is there, let's use some of the garlic. So the garlic, what is here, I like to put it with the whole, crush, and practically you call this garlic in camicia, cioè aglio in camicia. Aglio in camicia vuol dire, meaning they still have the shirt, the garlic in the shirt. You see, this, the skin is like the shirt. You take out the shirt, I take out the shirt, I'm naked. So no garlic, naked. So I like a lot of garlic. Let's put it there. Now, so we use the flour. Little bit of flour. It's better if you have a chinois or something that more even, but I like it with the hands. So this. Look, we put in this way, and then this flour, it's a regular flour, but what I did, I toasted. Why toasted? Because sometimes when you cook it, they don't take too much time, like in this case, the flour, you're going to test the flavor of the flour. Instead, if they are toasted, the flour is already cooked. Toasted the flour is simple. You take something like that, you put it there, you put all in the pan, and then you put in the oven very low, 300 to 275, stir a couple times, and the flour they keep it for a very long time. So here, to check if they are ready, it's a simple. You can use your hands and put some flour. If it starts to croccolare is the sound, the oil was around. So now it's ready. So you put the back the saltimbocca with the prosciutto down. Then I tell you why. When you put it down, the prosciutto going to be cool because almost like toasted. Plus, the prosciutto going to lose some of the fat, and some of the fat they give it more flavor. I like it to put more sage. Okay. You see now? So you're going to check. Oh, beautiful. Look, beautiful, beautiful. You see, you don't want to overcook. You want to have only the flavor. Look, beautiful. So the meaning the saltimbocca, they are not clear. Normally they translate is a saltimbocca jumping into your mouth, but some other people they say the saltimbocca, they are like the food that was preferred, the saltimbanco, they was the acrobatic in the circus in Italy. I don't know what is true, but they are good. So think to eat. Look, look. Bello, beautiful. So now let's put some of the wine. So you want they are cooked. If some parts are not perfectly brown, it's okay, because you don't want to overcook. So practically, okay. But a cute. It's so cute. Look. Oh, nice. So at this point you want to put a little more juice, or you put more wine or more broth. Depends what you like more, and now you make your sauce. And then only is because you have a Sunday flour, so this sauce they come together. At this point you can take out the garlic if you don't want to put the garlic, but no, I like the garlic. And it's a good garlic, because when it's a cook, you take the bread, you dip the bread in your garlic, and then make your mouth smell garlic, but garlic is very healthy. So at this point you don't want to reduce it too much. So you're going to put in top. Some people they like to take out the toothpicks and they come there, but you know, who want to eat your guests, they can take out the toothpicks. You told they have 2 pigs, or you take out.